Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding local music you've downloaded elsewhere to your Spotify account. You can add any extra music you want to, add them to playlists, and even listen to them on all of your devices. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. This can only be done on the PC version of Spotify. You can end up with the local music on your phone too, but you have to start by adding it to the desktop. On my PC, I have just prepared some tracks that I want to add to my Spotify. For organization, I have added them all to this folder on my desktop. Launch Spotify on your computer. Start by hitting the three dots button at the top left, clicking Edit and then choosing Preferences. In the Spotify settings, scroll down to the Local Files section and enable the option called Show Local Files. This will add a local files folder to your library. Below that, in Settings, it shows where Spotify is finding songs on your PC to sync. As you can see, it is currently getting music from my Downloads folder and my Music Library folder. I have my music saved in that custom folder I showed you. If you do too, add a new music source here. Simply select the folder which contains your music. Now that's done, if you go to the Local Files page in your library, your custom music should be here. Because I downloaded the music myself, it doesn't show the right artist or album info on Spotify. If you want, you can add that yourself by going back to the folder on your PC, right-clicking on the song, selecting Properties, Details, and then editing the details you wish to add. You can play the tracks on your PC right away, but if you wish to play them on your other devices too, this is what you do. Note, you will need Premium Spotify to do this. First, add those new songs to a playlist. Now jump over to the phone or other device. As we can see, the music is in our playlist, but we can't play it yet. All you have to do now is go to the playlist settings at the top and then select Download. This will download the tracks from your playlist, including your custom imported songs, so you can play them via your phone, even offline. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.